How to remove add to cart button in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is extremely simple, so let's just go and get to it. First, go to your online store from your Shopify main dashboard, go to themes and click on edit theme. Now in here, what we want to do is just basically go to the default product page. So simply go to the top here, click on home page, click on products and click on default product. Now you simply just want to hide the add to cart, so what you can do is just go to the product information, click on that, and then you should be able to find buy buttons. So simply click on that and you should be able to find add to cart with an eye icon next to it. So you simply just hide it from here. And now it's pretty much just hidden. So you can just go and click on save and you're pretty much now good to go. You're just left with the buy it now button. And just in case you want to hide that too, is going to be the accelerated checkout option. So you can just hide this and maybe even hide the quantity. So yeah, with that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.